Are you sitting on the fence about starting your online business? Here's why you should act now. When you join any version of the Legacy Builders program, before the 1st of June, the magnetic sales formula for $180 and the digital magnetic system for $497. That's over $680 in bonuses. Completely free. Inside, you'll get a done-for-you funnel, 5 resellable digital products, and an AI tool that writes your content for you. You'll also get over 50 plug-and-play content templates. You can even resell the program and make 90% profit. This is your shortcut if you've been feeling stuck or overwhelmed, or unsure of what to post. No experience is needed. Just take action before the 1st of June. After that, this offer is gone for good. If you would like further information, put ready in the comments and I'd gladly get back to you with all those details.